Get ready for the ultimate showdown in our hands-on unboxing of the awesome ROG Phone 3. The upgraded AeroActive cooler delivers more airflow. Next up is the newly designed Aero case. ROG Phone 3 is a complete package with ROG stickers, the ROG Hypercharge adapter, a braided USB-C cable, and an audio dongle all in the box. Now it's time to meet ROG Phone 3, the world's most powerful gaming smartphone. Check out the new AirTrigger 3, enhanced Game Cool 3 cooling system, and triple cameras.